Al final ha quedado flan. ¡Ah! ¡Joder! ¡Enrique!
Bro, my sister just made brownies. I just cut myself a piece. Four. Nice.
Master Chef who?
Okay.
Look what Mom put in the oven for us. That looks good. That looks